Hi, today we have the Hoover Impulse. It's a grab-and-go cordless convenience. And here is the box. And it says perfect for hard floors and area rugs, cordless versatility, and advanced swivel steering. Here's the back of it. It has a Hoover dashboard, has buttons to switch from hard floor to boost mode, double tap trigger, rinsable filter, easy empty dirt cup, reach wand, easy clean brush roll, swivel steering, and removable handheld vacuum. So not only can you do like floors, this comes off and you can use it handheld, as you can see here. So let's get this open. And it also includes a crevice tool, dusting brush, and an upholstery tool. Okay, so here it is. We've got a congrats note. You're now the owner of an awesome new Hoover product. We know you'll love it as much as we do. Enjoy your cleaning adventure and don't forget to write us a review. We can't wait to hear what you think. Okay. This is a filter. And then we have our instruction manual. Okay, and here is the bag of the other pieces. There's your crevice tool. This one, which I don't remember what it was called. And the other one. And there's the other piece. Oh, what else is in here? Guess that's for hanging it up. Attaching to the wall. Okay, and then we have our, there's the long piece. There's the sweeper part. There's the drawer. We have the plug for charging. And the main piece where all the power is made. Oh, it's already charged. Here's that. Let me back it up a little bit. Here is your dirt catcher. Let's see, does it come off? Looks like you just empty it from here. So here's the little button. It has a little garbage can on it. Push that and it pops open. Inside here is your filter. Keep hitting that. Rinse. Okay, it does come off. I know it comes off of here. I just don't know how. Filter access. There we go. And that's where the filter goes. It's right inside here. And then you would just take that to your sink and rinse it. And it even shows you right here what to do to rinse it. Looks like it might come apart. Or it's just telling you to take it out. One or the other. Rinse filter often, and it shows you which direction to go put it. So this side goes up like that. And it locks on, super easy. And then we got a little card here we need to take off. Cleaning, maintenance, and operation. And it charges in 3 to 4 hours. Let's remove this. It says double tap trigger for continuous power. So right here is the button. And if you see here, it shows the power. See? You just hold it. If you just want a quick sucker up, you just barely touch it. Push it twice and then it's full power. So let's put it together. So take this end and put it on here, and then the plug part is in back. Snaps in. So you take this piece and put it together. Just like that. So we got hard floor. Here's the hard floor and boost button. So this rug is really dusty. It's new and it puts off a lot of lint. So I'll just kind of show you here real quick. Then to release it, just push this button and pull. And I wanted to show you the lint that it already picked up. So there is how much it already sucked up. So it's got really good suction. So that is the Hoover Impulse. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, and thanks so much for stopping by.